Hello students, today you will learn second part of lesson 7, Glimpse of India, Coorg. Coorg is located in Karnataka. Today it is famous for coffee production, but in this lesson you will get glimpse of people of Coorg, their tradition, their origin. Okay. Coorg is coffee country famous for its rainforest and spices. Page number 90. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. Author compare this place as heaven. Drifted from the kingdom of God. Drifted, separate हो गया है. Okay. Have been carried along gently by air. अलग हो गया है. Drifted from the kingdom of God, this land of rolling hills, okay, around Coorg there are hills, is inhabited by a proud race of martial men. Okay, they are proud people of martial men. Martial means who are interested in fight. They are capable of fight. Beautiful women and wild creatures. Coorg or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforest. We know that in South India, okay, rainfall is heavy and for long months. So it is a home to evergreen rainforest, spices and coffee plantation. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of this district. So, the 30% of land of this district is covered by rainforest. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. So, because of heavy rain, visitors don't go to Coorg. The season of joy commences from September. Commence means start. From the September season of joy, visitors, and continue till March. The weather is perfect with some shower thrown in for good measure. During this time there is some rain, but it is for good. The air breathes of invigorating coffee. Air is good for coffee. Invigorating. Invigorating means strengthen. उसको एनर्जी देती है. Invigorating coffee. कॉफी को एनर्जी देती है air. Coffee estate and colonial bungalows. Colonial means built during the British rule. Colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies. Tucked means, okay, located very near, close to each other. Tucked under tree canopies. Tree roof. Canopy means roof. In prime corner. The fiercely independent people, these people are very independent. Okay. Their mind is free. They don't like any rule. Fiercely independent people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. They are descendant of Arab countries or Greek. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast. Alexander the Great, Sikandar ka army, okay, they moved towards south nearby the coast and settled here when return became impracticable. When return became impracticable, return was impossible or impracticable, okay, to Greece, they settled here. So they were means people of army. Actually, these are the people of Alexander's army. These people married amongst the local and their culture is apparent in the martial tradition. Even today their culture, okay, rituals are apparent, clear in martial tradition. Okay, warrior. Martial means warrior. Marriage and religious rites, uski vidhi, rites means vidhi, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. Their rituals, rites are different from Hindu mainstream. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long black coat we can see in photo, okay, that these are the descendant of Arab people, even today they wear long black coat and waistband, okay, a band of cloth embroidered, okay, embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavus, known as kupia. Today they call it kupia, the waistband ko. It resembles the kufia worn by the Arabs. So it is similar, okay, resemble with the kufia worn by the Arabs and the Kurd. Kurgi homes have a traditional of hospitality. Okay, they like guest. Okay, and they offer many things to guest, and they keep guest with happy mind. Okay, they are happy with guest. They like guest, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. Okay, they like guests, they are hospitable people, okay, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor, bravery, okay, they like to tell the bravery story of bravery of their father, son, okay, to guests, related to their son and the father. They like to describe story of bravery of his father, son to guests. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in Indian army. So there is separate Kurg regiment, people, okay, who join army. So for Kurd people, there is separate regiment. It is one feather in the army. And the first chief of the Indian army, General Karyappa, was Kurgi. Okay, first chief of our Indian army was from Kurg. Even now, Kodavus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without license. So these people are allowed to keep arms, okay, weapons without license. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Kurg. Very famous river Kaveri, okay, gets water from the hills of Kurg and forest. Mahasiyar, a large freshwater fish, Mahasiyar, abound in this water. So there are numerous Mahasiyar, big fish in this water. Abound means बहुत सारी है. Kingfisher dive for their catch. Kingfisher dive into the water to catch the fish, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect. Langur means monkey and squirrel drop the fruit from their hands to see कि splash, पानी में ऊपर से कुछ गिरता है तो पानी उठता है तो splash, it is called splash. And ripple, when we fall something, okay, in the water, so we see round waves, so that is called ripple. So monkey and squirrel drop fruit to see splash and ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their Mahavat. Mahavat take their elephants for scrubbing, उसको घिस घिस के नहलाते हैं. They are bathed in this river. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of light, high-energy adventure. The most laid-back people who are lazy, okay, don't like adventure, they also become converts to the life of high-energy adventure with river rafting. Here there are facility of river rafting. Canoeing means boating. Rappelling means to go down with rope. That rope is tied to our waist. Waist के साथ rope बांध के to go down from the mountain. It is called rappelling. Rock climbing and mountain biking. Okay, to drive bike on the mountain path. Numerous walking trails in the region are a favorite with trekkers. Okay, people who like trekking, they also get many trek. Birds, bees and butterflies are there to give you company. There are many types of birds, butterflies, and bees give you company. Macaque, okay, is short-tailed monkey, macaque. Malabar squirrel, langur, and slender loris. Lori is fox-like animal. Slender मतलब पतला. Slender loris keep a watchful eye from tree canopy. When you visit the forest, okay, these animals keep eye. Okay, they watch you from the tree. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild animals. Author says, I go outside, okay, for wild animals. I give way to wild animals. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into panoramic view. Okay, when you climb Brahmagiri hill, you can have wide view. Okay, panoramic view and panoramic view of the entire misty landscape. Misty. There is fog or mist around the mountains. Misty landscape of Coorg. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisarg Dhamma. Okay, when you walk across the rope bridge, you might have seen, okay, over the river, okay, bridge is constructed using rope and wood. So when you cross this, you go to the island of Nisargdham, running into Buddhist monk from India's largest Tibetan settlement. And many Buddhist monk, Buddhist sadhu, they live there. At nearby, Bailekupi is a bonus. Bailekupi is a place, is bonus. Okay, you can visit it. The monk in red ochar and yellow robe, okay, उसका जो जब्बा जैसा होता है, it is called robe, are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India. So these monks are many surprises, okay, visitors who want to find out something about soul or heart, they visit there, right here in Coorg. Now here it is block, fact file, how to reach Coorg. Madakeri, the district headquarters, is the only gateway to Coorg. Only gateway. यहाँ से ही जा सकते हो. From not any other place. The misty hills, lush forest, okay, rich forest with grass and trees, plants, lush forest and coffee plantations will cast a spell on you. Okay, you will be surprised. Okay, cast a spell, आपके ऊपर magic हो जाएगा. Find a resort, coffee estate or stay in home for truly Coorg experience. By air, the nearest airport are Mangalore 135 km and Bangalore 260 km from Coorg. There are flights to Mangalore from Mumbai and to Bangalore from Ahmedabad, Chennai, Delhi, Goa, Hyderabad, Kochi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Pune. And by rail route, the nearest rail head are Mysore, Mangalore and Hassan. By road, there are two routes to Coorg from Bangalore. Both are almost the same distance, around 250 to 260 km. Okay, we can go to Coorg by road. The route via Mysore is the most frequented route. So people generally use route via Mysore. The other route is via Neelamangal, Kuningal, Charanya, Patna. Okay, so you can visit Coorg. Okay, students, this lesson ends here.